Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your wallet files on Windows using file history, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your Windows operating system is up to date. Connect an external hard drive or USB drive to your computer. Open the Start menu and type Settings into the search bar. Select the Settings app from the search results. In the Settings window, click on Update and Security. From the left-hand menu, choose Backup. Look for the option that says Add a drive. Select your external drive from the list of available. Once your drive is set up, click on More Options. Scroll down to find the Backup Now button. Click on Backup Now to initiate the backup process. Ensure that your wallet files are in a folder that is included in the backup settings. To confirm, go back to the More Options section. Look for the part that shows which folders are being backed up. If your wallet folder is not included, click Add a folder and navigate to your wallet's directory. Select the wallet folder and click Select Folder. You can also adjust the frequency of your backups under Backup My Files. Choose how often you want backups to occur, such as hourly or daily. After making your selections, close the Settings window. Monitor the backup process to ensure all files are copied successfully. Once the backup is complete, you can safely disconnect your external drive. It's a good practice to store the external drive in a secure location. For future backups, you can repeat this process as needed. This will help to safeguard your wallet files against data loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.